Good morning, YouTube. It's a new day, new attitude. Still waiting on a weather window so we can get on the roof and start doing some sections up there. But in the meantime, we're going to try to tackle this bathroom floor here. It's we have a bunch of rot that needs to be addressed. The 2x10s or 2x whatever they are, they are rotten. We have this wall kind of sagging here with this floor sagging. We're gonna peel this floor up here in the bathroom and see what we can get into. Hopefully it's isolated to 3 or 4 of these boards. That's what I'm hoping. Obviously the shower's been leaking for a while, but we'll throw you guys on time lapse and that way you guys can check it out. Good morning, everybody. So, since you've seen on time lapse, it's a little bit bigger job than I was hoping. I was hoping to pull the old rotten wood out in the bathroom, maybe a couple in the bedroom, be done with it. It's not that case. It's the whole bathroom, the whole bedroom. Let me turn you around so you guys can see. But here's the bathroom. We have some rotten wood, the rim joist, the sill plate. That piece over there seemed to be fine. Took all the trash and stuff out of here. Took all the AC stuff out because we're not going to use it. And then the bedroom. The sill plate and the rim joist all the way around is rotten. All the way around. So what I'm thinking happened here when we bought this property, the gutters didn't have no downspouts on them. I have a gutter downspout right here in the corner of this room, and it didn't have a downspout, so all that water was going down right here in the corner, and it was probably coming right into this bedroom. Plus what was leaking from the shower. Obviously the shower was leaking as well, but this is what we have. This is what we have to deal with. So I'm going to use the old floor joist from the master that we pulled out of the master. Those are good. That's good wood. I'm going to try to save us some money and use those. I'll be putting a support right here underneath this wall so we can have two joists to make one. Should be fine. And I'm going to start trying to replace this rotten wood. So stay tuned and watch my struggles.
The buzz on in my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. Well, the sun's up, you wake up, an angel in the morning light. And I don't ever wanna leave, the bed's messed up just right. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down, baby, just you and I. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you, this love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll got what I want. Oh, and I got what you need for the rest of our lives. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see.
I wanna take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know you're all I ever wanted and more. I wanna level out, order something and stay in.
All right, YouTube. It's been a long week, but we got it. We got it in there. We got the new floor joist in. Well, not new, but reused. This didn't cost me anything. We had to go buy 4 or 5 boards, but I had a gift card, so this repair to the house was free, just time and labor. And let me show you guys. I'll turn you guys around. So we got all the rotten wood out. All the new floors are in. So those are the ones we had to buy. But we have new sill plate, new rim joist. That one just fell over there next to the new one. Next I'm going to put some plywood down for this wall. We probably have to go from this floor joist to that one, and then rebuild this wall in between here because it's got some wood rot on it down there, and the bottom plate to that wall was all rotted. And then we'll rebuild this one here. Rebuild the door. Rebuild this monstrosity here. This is where the AC return was here, so that's going to just be a wall or maybe a linen cat. I don't know what it's going to be, but we'll have to do that as well. In here in the bathroom, let's see so you guys can see. So there is, and I ran into this on the other side in the bedroom here, on this wall here and this wall here. This wood rot of this panel here. I think stick my finger through it right there. Which I'll address that when I do the outside. But we will come in here and tear this bottom plate out, fix any 2x4s that are rotted, And that one over there as well. Might add a couple of studs here because that's at like 2 foot on center. I'm not all right with that. But yeah, we're slowly but surely fixing all the issues. I'm hoping that this room over here is not like that. It's our storage room. That's where we start our plants at. But probably gonna wait on the roof. Wait until it warms up a little bit more, where all the rain and stuff's not so every other day. I mean, it'll be warmer, but gotta do what you gotta do, right? So thanks for watching, guys, and all the new subscribers that are trickling in, I appreciate you, and look forward to putting another video out for next week.